How's it going, guys? Yomtosh here, back with another video, and this one's a quick one for you guys. This was an exciting day for me, also a scary day for me as well. And just a quick moment, join the Tech Party Discord server if you want to ask me questions about doing this directly. I'm on iOS 14.3. How did I do it? Go check out the Cilio Discord. People are going on about it, and it's not patched yet. Apple hasn't patched it just yet. So yeah, I'm waiting for my phone to upgrade from 13.5 to 14.3, and I'll just detail out all the steps you need to do. So first off, what you need to know, it basically makes your device like a supervised device, or like you'd find in an office for like iPhones, or like in a school environment, and it uses that, and because of that you can get like updates from 90 days before, and that's how we're able to get 14.3 on our iOS devices. Some people have not had luck with A14 devices, but some people have also had luck with A14 devices. You can also check out the list for all the devices that work. To get straight to it, I had a few issues with mine, so I'll talk about the issues I had with mine as well. So yeah, to get straight to it, so what you need to do is go to the Discord, get the profile. There's another profile from my blocks. You need to make sure you have both of those profiles installed. When you have both profiles installed, you can go into software updates and check to see if you see the update. If you do see the update, what you need to do is go back into Uncover or your Jailbreak app of choice. There's like, or Taurine is what most of people are using on Cilio, and then make sure you restore your root file system, root fs, and when you do that, you can go back into software updates and hit update. But if that doesn't work for you, like it didn't work for me, it just saying like did not work. What you need to do is go into Uncover, which is my choice of jailbreak application. Go into Uncover, make sure you disable OTA, or turn off the settings so that it doesn't disable OTA in the settings, and re-jailbreak. Sometimes this works for people, but it didn't work for me as well, but we'll get to that shortly. If you do that, then do the whole steps from before again. Go into software updates, make sure you have the profiles installed, and then yeah, check to see if it works. If that doesn't work for you, like it didn't work for me, I had to reset my phone, so I had to go into settings, reset and erase all settings. And when I did that, I went to install Uncover again. I re-jailbroke, and making sure that I wasn't disabling OTA this time around, because it seemed to have messed up a lot of my OTA settings. And then I had to get iCleaner. So you could probably try iCleaner before you get to this step. Try iCleaner before you reset your device. Get iCleaner, go and clear out your OTA for iCleaner. It might clear out a few files that might like trigger it to start searching for updates again and not showing you like errors. And then when you do that, you should be able to see 14.3 there. Again, you need to get the profiles. The profiles will make your device a supervised device, and then you see the 14.3 update right there. You can click update, but make sure before you update it, you need to remove root fs. So if you've just re-jailbroken again, you need to make sure you go into jailbreak, remove root fs, root file system, or it won't update. And I had to do that twice because I forgot about it. But yeah, that's it. I'll just wait for the device to turn on now and then show you like what you actually need to do. Hopefully I can overlay that onto like the rest of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this content, and hopefully I get this out in time for you to actually do this on your own iOS devices. And it doesn't quite seem like something Apple will patch, but it seems like they might disable like iOS 14.3 from being downloaded from their servers. Then again, I'm not really sure, but remains to be seen. Yeah, iOS jailbreaking, I think I might just get back into it. I'm trying to get a new phone so I look like the new channels having like the newer like styled iPhones, so you guys don't, well, I don't know, I can make it like low spec gamers. Let me know what you think. All right, that's it. See ya. Young Tush here, signing out. Peace.